but that's just what them drugs do. I'm getting flashbacks from the bed, like damn, lil' bae, I love you. I know I had her on my bag at first, she started in my lights, like damn, this bitch so bad. I like her body and she my type.
Yeah, I like your body. Yeah, I like your body. Yeah, you held me down when I ain't had nobody. You like the way I smack it when you sit back and ride it. Yeah, I like your body. Yeah, I like your body.
What good, YouTube? It's your boy 5.7 King, man. Y'all already know how to fuck it. Rockin', man. Slide. If y'all don't know, man, I'm in a good mood, you feel me? Cause today, you feel me? Y'all see what I'm in, you know? Hey, anytime I'm in it, what's this though? What's this? This that kidnapper. FBI, open up! This that kid snatcher, nah, for real, but anytime I'm in there, just know I'm finna get some chicken, man. You feel me? We got space in the back. All the tools on the ground, man. We got hella tools, you feel me? All the tools on the ground, man. But right now, you feel me? I'm finna head on down to my customer house. We finna go ahead and start up some stars. So he got a Durango. What he got? Excuse me. He got a 2019, I believe. A Durango SRT or something like that. Yeah, but my boy said he said he want me to try. He want me to try to do what he say. He want me to try to do 500 stars. But if it don't work, then do the Supernova, which is, if y'all ain't seen my price list, you feel me? Look, price list right here. But if you ain't seen my price list, you feel me? The Supernova is pretty goddamn, you feel me? It's pretty like budgeted, you know? Like, it's pretty a decent price, you know? It ain't too much or none of that. It's 700 for 1,000 lights, you know? And I got the lights. I already got the kits and stuff at the crib. All I gotta do is pull up and get the job done, you know? So I'm in the kid snatcher right now. I'm on the way down here. I'm passing the movies, you know? Finna gas up, put a little bit of gas in the van. And shoot, I'm finna head there, you feel me? I'm finna show y'all the whole process of how I'm finna get this junk out, you feel me? Let's get into it, man. Thanks for everybody who been tuning in on every video. We dropping all winter, all summer, all spring, all fall. Hopefully I said it in the right order, man. But you know, y'all get it, man. Let's do it, man. Y'all stay tuned. Slime. Nah, folks, tell me why. I just pull up to the G, right? Hold on. Gonna get y'all right, hold on. Start pumping, folks. But nah, to the G. I just pull up to the G, y'all already know the fucking back. Hold on, don't play that, boy. Don't copyright me now, folks. Y'all see what we got in the back, man. So it's currently the next day, you feel me? And y'all know what we got in the back. Feel me? This how this shit go. But nah, dude. I walk over here. What my boy got? This bitch go, this bitch go crazy. Boy, jump go crazy. Boy, go vet. That bitch go crazy, boy. Hey, man, man, y'all already know, man. 5.7 King whipping the van, man. Come on, man. I know what the fuck going on. No, dude. I just wanted to come in here. Hold on. Turn the AC off. I'm gonna get a little hot. If I get a little sweaty, you feel me? Y'all don't even pay that no mind, but you feel me? We currently on the way to the stars right now. Finna bust that down, knock that out, you feel me? I'm gonna tap in with y'all boys when we get there, man. I just wanted to show y'all boys this view I had. I ain't even know this bit was this crazy. But hey, 5.7 King, man, I'm gonna tap in with y'all. Why she looking at me like that? She want me. Hell no, I don't want you. What good, YouTube? It's your boy 5.7 King, if I ain't said it already. But I just pulled up, you feel me? And I'm on my professional shit. Hold on, let me flip the cam. What y'all think Come on, man. And we pull up in van. Hella tools. Come on, man. Hella tools. But this is what we pulled up on. You feel me? Motherfucker SRT, motherfucker. Woo. It be hard. SRT cut. Tires on her. And my boy go hood. And my boy go hood. Front windshield tinted next. I'm already knowing. Oh, that bitch hard. Yes, that bitch hard. But yeah, this is what we finna do today, man. He got that bitch matte black out too here. He got that bitch black everywhere. And the inside geek. Oh my God! Man. Inside geek. Oh yeah. We finna get this bitch right. For shit show. Let's get into it, man. Alright, y'all. First thing first, I'm gonna start with the mirrors. So this tab was already popped off, but basically you just pop this off. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it should be 3 screws. And I done already found out which one it is. It's a 5/16. So yeah, put that up there. You feel me? Get it cracking. I'm actually tightening. My fault. Alright. But it's good. Alright, y'all. I don't know why I was doing this the hard way, like I ain't really got tools for real, but yeah, y'all get. Take 2. Dang, y'all see how this screw long as hell. Damn. That's why that bill was taking so damn long. I ain't even got no extension on this fucker. Alright. Just like that. I hope y'all can see this, y'all. Kind of propping y'all up on a knee type shit. Alright, so that just pulls right out, y'all. And you gotta take it off this little tab. Next thing next, it's a little clip right here. Put your little finger right there or whatever you gotta do. Pop that flathead or whatever. And it look like it's a T20 up there, y'all. Hope y'all can see that, but look like it's a T20. Alright, now y'all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this off. Look inside here, make sure there's no screw or nothing. Then give it a good tug. Just like that, chat. Pop it right on out. You see us have a little, should be a little plug right here. That's how you do this little console. Make sure this wire is right here. And we're gonna get this one.
Three hours later.
Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see, I got this mirror right here, this part right here, the mirror off. This right here, which is you do that on the same, you do the same thing on that side. I popped this off, y'all seen that. I don't really worry about the mirror because it's not on the headliner, you know. So I'm not gonna worry about, I'm not gonna worry about this mirror part. But
yeah, we'll see. When I start pulling it down, if I need it, then yeah, that's when I'll take it out. But if I don't need it, I'm gonna leave it up there. And yeah, I'm already pulling it down, y'all. It's already coming down, just like that. I'm gonna pry it over these edges, and yeah. All right, for the handlebars, so pull that down. Obviously, it should be something right here. Pull that down. You feel me? That's a bigger one. I don't know if that's a T20. It's probably a little bit bigger, maybe, or a T20. Y'all can see that. But yeah, let's get into it. As y'all can see, we just got that out. I don't know if y'all can see that. I don't know if y'all did see that. We just got it out, man. Let's keep going. So I'm gonna start prying. Oh, let me get this one out. So it's a bolt right there. Feel me? That will drop the whole headliner. You feel me? So let's go ahead and get that bolt. What I'm seeing here, chat, is it's some wires connected running towards this. So it's a plug right here. Try to get that for y'all. One hand. All right, we got that one out. It's like a little clamp piece right there. And all right, so it's a wire right here on the back of it, right? Y'all see that? Pull that one out. And it's a clamp piece on. It's a little clamp piece right there. If y'all can see it, should just pull right out though. All right, y'all. So unfortunately, I am gonna have to take the mirror off. I don't want to, but I am. So, all right. So this side, this piece right here goes to this, and this piece that comes around goes to this plug right here on the back, right? So that's the two plugs down, and this go right there. Yeah. So let me show y'all how to take this mirror off. All you do, push it up and turn it clockwise. Hold on. Push it up and turn it clockwise, and it should just come right off. And then it's a little itty bitty plug that's right there behind it. Just hit that. I don't know if cool. So the mirror's out. So now I should just be able to tug away. For real. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So. Alright. Next thing, we're gonna have to take this pillar off right here. I don't like taking this pillar off, but I'm gonna have to do it. I'm gonna get y'all right on the meta glasses too. Footage on the meta glasses. This piece. Yeah, that took a little bit of work, y'all, to get this piece off, but it's off. Only thing I really need to take this off is because it's a wire right here running on the headliner, and it runs all the way down to, here. See me? Unplug that. All right, and yeah, we good on this side, y'all. Let's keep going.
That shit gonna come down.
What the fuck is this though? Why the hell look like they put screws in that bit though? Fuck. This some shit, boy.
Yeah, you probably do gotta take all this off.
Oh, headliner right here.
Yeah.
And so with this like a little tab. No, it's a tab right there. It's like a tab.
What screw is that?
Just pull it.
Man, I won't try to fuck that bitch.
Wait, so, oh shit, hell no, that bitch. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take her off.
I'm saying, you gotta take these bitches off.
But I don't wanna damn pull that shit too hard. She got clips and shit.
Just lift it up. What I did for this, I just lift it up.
Oh no, I see it. It's a piece right here. You can damn hit with a flat head. Yeah, it's a piece up there again. Don't pull it. Right. That bitch, that down. I think that shit like a little piece you gotta squeeze or some shit. Right there. Oh shit, where did that shit go? Right here. Yeah. Alright, you see that bit? You see the clip piece? You don't see it?
Hell no.
Wait, is it up here? Fuck that shit, was it? Oh yeah, it was up here. Right here. Where? You see it, right there. Put it on top of that metal. Yeah. That shit is proud up. Yeah. Real street. Alright now. What the fuck?
What the other one?
Right there.
Gotta get a damn screwdriver back there.
Oh yeah. Real street, nigga. Alright.
I'm still holding my shit. Spike should still be able to get that bitch off.
Oh shit. Oh, I know what it is. It's this piece right here.
Yeah, just keep. But I was feeling goddamn. Just pull it over it. You pull it over. Try to put it back in.
Hold on.
I got that bitch out right here.
you talking about, bro? What? Huh? For what?
Alright, as y'all can see, no, I don't know if y'all can see that, but she's busting. It's everywhere, most definitely. So looking like I ain't cut her nothing yet. I don't know if y'all can see that, but it's busting, y'all. This one right here, y'all can't even see this one. But yeah, you feel me? That's how we coming before, man. I'm gonna wake up tomorrow and put it in. And shit, let's get to it. Alright, y'all, I just go in the back. I'm finna take it out and I'm gonna show y'all me put it in real quick.
Three hours later.
Alright, y'all, as y'all can see, I done cut out most of the back, you know. No spaces. No spaces, you know. And now I gotta do the front. I'm sorry about the light, y'all, but y'all see it. Finna finish cutting the front. We got a whole bunch left up there. We just in the trunk. Motherfucker bustin', boy. SRT, yeah, so. And that ain't no gaps, man. Come on, man. Stars all right there.
I whip out his Glock, I'ma squeeze it. Nigga don't try me, get sent to the Reapers. I start shit like you was creepers. I on the bag, been trapping, I'm posing a visa. Spinning your block with this heater, get hit up. Nigga, it was nice to meet you. So many shells in this Glock, make a nigga have a seizure. Make a nigga meet his people. Why would he tweet with the Twiggies? He tried to step and got put in the sleeper.